Hi, this is your host Nikhil Vijay Simha, and welcome back to the brand new episode in our show Get Set Gulte, co-presented by the Home Digital. అయితే ఇవాళ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఎందుకంటే ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం నేను ఈరోజు యాక్చువల్లీ కొంచెం సిగ్గు అవుతుంది నాకు ఐఎమ్ ఫీలింగ్ లిటిల్ షై బికాజ్ నా పక్కన ఎందుకంటే నా పక్కన వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ వెరీ టాలెంటెడ్ మీకు అయ్యి బావ మీకు తెలుగు ఇంత చక్కగా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు శుభ్రంగా క్లియర్ గా మాట్లాడుతున్నారు హ్యాపీగా కరెక్టే. నేను మీకోసం ఫుల్ ఎలివేషన్ ఇచ్చి వెల్కమ్ చెప్దాం అనుకున్నాను, కానీ మీరు మాట్లాడేశారు. సో మన ఆడియన్స్ కోసం వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్, మోస్ట్ టాలెంటెడ్, అండ్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం ఐఎమ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూయింగ్ నిధి అగర్వాల్. హలో నిధి. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు డూ దిస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. అండ్ ముందే చెప్తున్నా ఫుల్ మసాలా క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఓకేనా మీకు? క్రేజీ అసలు. నిధి ఈస్ లైక్ ఫుల్ ప్రిపేర్డ్ అండ్ లైక్ not all prepared. Oh, okay. So nothing. It's a very small chit chat kind of a show, and with a few funny questions and about food, about fun, about movie, everything that we love. So Nidhi, just a small warm up. Okay, our first round is the warm up round. So Indra మిమ్మల్ని కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతా. Okay, the first question is, మీరు చాలా రోజుల తర్వాత ఇస్మార్ట్ శంకర్ అని ఒక హ్యూజ్ సక్సెస్ ఫిల్మ్ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ తెలుగు స్క్రీన్ కి కనిపిస్తున్నారు. ఇట్స్ బీన్ క్వైట్ సమ్ టైమ్. సో హౌ డు యు ఫీల్ అబౌట్ ఇట్? అంటే గుడ్ టు బి బ్యాక్.
ఇట్స్ గ్రేట్ టు బి బ్యాక్. ఐ థింక్ కోవిడ్ కోసం చాలా లాంగ్ గ్యాప్ వచ్చింది. నాకు ఇది గ్యాప్ ఐ డోంట్ లైక్ ఇట్, బట్ ఇట్స్ కమ్ అన్ఫార్చునేట్లీ. బట్ ఐ థింక్ ఇట్స్ ఫైన్ బికాజ్ ఐ హావ్ బీన్ వర్కింగ్ ఇన్ ద గ్యాప్. So ఇప్పుడు I think this year only 4 back to back with vengeance. I have 4 back to back releases. I will have.
You have with vengeance. He's like with vengeance. Yeah, I'm like
because of the gap వచ్చింది కదా.
గ్యాప్ అసలు ఇంకా గ్యాప్ రాదు, రాకూడదు.
గ్యాప్ రాకూడదు. కోవిడ్ కూడా రాకూడదు.
రానివ్వరు.
Yeah, no, I can't. Yeah, if that was in my hand, it would have never spread only.
అంతే అంటారా? Yeah. Okay, but everything happens for our own good కాబట్టి.
That's true.
Let's see, good things will happen in the future.
100%.
అంతే కదా? అంతేనంటారా?
Definitely, that's the only way.
Okay. So my next question is, స్క్రిప్ట్ మీరు విన్న వెంటనే మీ ఫస్ట్ రియాక్షన్ ఏంటి?
చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కమర్షియల్ ఫిల్మ్, బట్ స్క్రిప్ట్ లో కొంచెం డార్క్ హ్యూమర్ ఉంటుంది యాక్చువల్లీ, అండ్ ఇట్స్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ an offbeat kind of a film. Like the songs are commercial, the concept is commercial, but the story is little bit offbeat. So I found it quite interesting. And I said that, okay, fine, at least, let's try it out. I think it will be nice and fun.
Nice. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు సినిమాలో ట్రైలర్ చూసాము, చాలా బాగుంది, ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. ఈ క్యారెక్టర్ కోసం ఇంకేమైనా చెప్తారా?
క్యారెక్టర్ కోసం డైరెక్టర్ గారు ట్రైలర్ చెప్పలేదు, ఏం చేయాలి
అదే చెప్పొచ్చు,
చెప్పండి.
అదే మరి మా ఆడియన్స్ కి ఇప్పుడైనా చెప్పండి. మీరు
ఎందుకు శ్రీరామ్ గారు
మీరు చెప్పరా? నో.
Okay, so I'll tell you all. So okay. I play a vet, again doctor.
Okay. Oh. Nice. Like
yeah, but I'm a
Dr. Nidhi Agarwal. Oh, it sounds so good, Dr. Nidhi Agarwal.
But I play a vet in this film, and actually the heroine character, which is my character, is very important in the film. It's not like a typical commercial film, right, because I'm there throughout the film. The journey is a lot between my father character, which is Jagpati Babu, JB, and the hero, his family, and me. So there's a whole journey. There's a lot of things that happen. So actually, Subhadra, my character, is quite interesting.
Subhadra. Nice. Okay, coming to your co-actor, even though it's like his debut, yeah, so it's like, but he comes from film family.
Yeah.
So when you're అంటే మీరు స్క్రిప్ట్ విన్నప్పుడు were you like, okay, ఏమైనా ఆలోచించారా when you got to know that he's actor? Like, what was your thought process?
Yeah, actually the script is perfect for any debutant, because the hero of the film, in the film he wants to become a hero. So actually it's a perfect script for any debutant. Yeah. And I think Ashok, when I saw him the first day on set, he's a trained actor, definitely. He's not like unprepared or something.
ఏదో కొత్తగా వచ్చి చేసినట్టు కాకుండా he's like,
నా ఫస్ట్ డే నాకు మార్క్ మీనింగ్ తెలియదు, so he was not at all like that. He knew everything, because of course he would have been on sets throughout his life. So he was quite prepared, and I think he's perfect for the character.
So wishing Ashok all the best.
very best to your first film.
Yeah. Okay, so moving on to our next.
This was the warm up.
అయిపోయింది.
Okay.
మూవింగ్ ఆన్. హైదరాబాద్ బాగా మిస్ అయ్యారా?
నేను హైదరాబాద్ లో పుట్టాను. నేను హైదరాబాదీ అమ్మాయి. యాక్చువల్లీ నేను హైదరాబాదీ బిర్యానీ కూడా నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం.
ఓకే, 5 ఏమైనా ఫుడ్ ఐటమ్స్ చెప్పండి. హైదరాబాద్ ఇడ్లీ, కారప్పొడి ఇడ్లీ.
Follows me on social media knows how much I love idli. I get tagged in idli photos every day.
Okay, tomorrow I will tag you.
Everybody has breakfast and they tag me with the other one. See, I'm eating idli, your favorite. So idli, biryani. Hyderabad as a child, I would always eat the golas.
Ice gola.
Ice gola. And what else? Different types of biryani. There's a particular sandwich. There's a Balaji. Do you know Balaji? There's a sandwich shop. It's a very small sandwich shop.
Okay.
That sandwich I eat all the time.
Oh.
So నాకు హైదరాబాద్ అంటే
మాకన్నా మీకే ఎక్కువ తెలుసండి.
నేను హైదరాబాద్ లో పుట్టాను. నాకు హైదరాబాద్ లో 500+ రిలేటివ్స్ ఉంటుంది.
అంతమంది ఉన్నారా?
అంతమంది ఉన్నారు నా ఫ్యామిలీ. అగర్వాల్ చాలా పెద్ద ఫ్యామిలీ. నా మదర్ సైడ్. ఓ
మీ మమ్మీ వాళ్ళ సైడ్. అచ్చా, ఓకే.
హైదరాబాద్.
ఓ మధ్యాహ్నం ఏం భోజనం చేస్తారు మీరు? Afternoon, what did you eat?
Afternoon, I had curd rice. నా favorite, second favorite.
Curd rice.
నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం.
Curd rice with chicken or something? No.
I'm vegetarian. By choice.
I
used to eat non-veg, but I left it.
You left it.
So I'm
Any reason?
I am going into sainthood. I'm becoming a saint. I'm just kidding.
Okay. Is this going somewhere?
I just might. You never know. I'm just kidding. No. But when I was young, only I left it.
Okay.
I don't know if there's an exact reason. Just one day suddenly I was like, I don't want to eat non-veg anymore. And I just stopped. 10, 11, something like that.
Nice. So, కొన్ని రోజుల క్రితం మీరు ఒక మ్యూజిక్ వీడియో చేశారు సోను సూద్ గారితో. So how was the experience?
Very good. It was directed by Farah Khan and she's one director who I've always wanted to work with. She's so talented. She just has to set a frame and it's perfect. Like she's been working for so many years, but one thing I have to say, when Chusanu Farah Khan Mangalore, she's like, even though she's been working for more than 10-20 years, she still came with short division.
Yeah.
She still came with short division and she was following it step by step. So even after so many years, that too for a music video, to actually be so organized, put her 100%. I have even more respect for her. And working with Sonu Sood, he's like the superhero of India.
Yeah.
Something like that. So it was great.
Nice. ఇప్పుడు మ్యాండేటరీ క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటి ఉంది, ఇది మీరు చాలా మంది అడిగే ఉంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ ఫిలిం మీరు చేస్తున్నది అది అస్సలు నెక్స్ట్ ఫిలిం మీరు చేస్తున్నది ఎవరితో అందరికీ తెలుసు, దాని గురించి ఏమైనా చెప్తా అని. నాట్ మై క్వశ్చన్, ఆడియన్స్ పోల్ యాక్చువల్లీ. Anything. I mean, of course, you know when she did the signature, it's of course as Power Star Pawan Kalyan garu. So, Emana, you're not supposed to, or?
No, I mean, as a person, how it's been working with him.
About the film?
About the film, it's a period film.
Okay.
So, actually, to shoot that film is a bit tough because we need sets because it's a period film. So the set is getting constructed, then COVID is coming, then again they have to stop, then again they have to start, then again one lockdown comes, so again. So that's why it's taking some time. But first half shooting I couldn't do, second half is remaining, and I've always wanted to do an epic film in my life, and I think this is the epic film.
Nidhi is like very smart. She told in such a way that only the details are not detailed again. She's like, I want to do an epic film and this is an epic film.
But it is because the scale is so big and Krish is such a talented director, I have to say. He knows how to show a girl as a heroine. He knows, certain details that only Krish can get into, he gets into that. So I'm actually very lucky that I'm doing such a film. And Nikhil, what I love most about that film is, even though it's a Pawan Kalyan film and it's such a huge film, my character is not like a song and dance, that's all kind of a character. It's my best character. Which is what I couldn't believe, that in my life, my biggest film, I'm getting my best character. So that's like
it's like a dream come true.
Yeah, it really is.
And మీరు స్టంట్స్ కూడా పర్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తున్నారు అని మాకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వచ్చింది. లైట్ గా కొంచెం అలా లైట్ గా అలా టచ్ ఇస్తున్నారు.
A little more than touch, but light ga.
Okay. Yeah. Crazy. సో అయిపోయింది వార్మప్ కంప్లీట్ గా.
Oh, this is also warm up.
అంటే ఇది కొంచెం
Okay,
వార్మప్
I'm actually feeling warmed up.
వార్మ్డ్ అప్. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ సరదాగా వాట్ ఇఫ్ అంటే వాట్ ఇఫ్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ రౌండ్. ఫన్నీ అండ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. ఇప్పుడు కోవిడ్ లేదు, ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తారు ఫస్ట్? ట్రావెల్, వేర్ విల్ యూ గో?
Spain.
వై?
Spain.
వై?
I don't know. I've always wanted to go to Spain. I've never been there. And I think when the first lockdown came, I was wanting to go to Spain. And Spain, it was the most, right? So
Yeah.
I didn't go, obviously. But Spain, I don't know why. I want to go. Just.
Oh.
Or New York, I'll go visit my sister.
Oh,
She's
nice.
studying there.
Okay. My next question is, if you had the chance to do a special dance number,
Okay.
who would you choose as your co-star? And I have options.
Tough guy.
Allu Arjun, NTR. God, this is nice.
This is very tough because
Very
both of them are very good dancers.
Okay.
Like me myself being a dancer,
Okay.
everybody will say that, but they are amazing dancers. I can't choose.
Yeah.
Hey, why
it's-
should I choose?
Yeah. You want to work with both of them, obviously. Yeah. This is, yeah.
You know I'm not going to answer this
Yeah.
question.
I know. That's why I'm like, anyways, there's why to waste my time.
Expected this answer.
Yeah. I know. I was
No,
like,
but
fine.
honestly, both of them are
Very good dancers.
So I would want to do it with
Maybe in a song where both of them are dancing and you are there. That's actually sounds good,
them.
right?
That would be like epic.
Epic again, epic. Nice. Okay. We are sure you love your fans and all the love you receive. But what is that one thing you would do if you're not a star for a day? Like, నేను ఇప్పుడు actress కాదు. What is that one thing you would do?
I think just eat a lot.
Nice. Like everything.
Everything.
Like, you know, you don't have to feel like, oh, this has so many calories. It's like
I
one
just
coconut.
watch something the whole day for 1 month and I just eat everything that I can eat.
God, maybe. I think you'll do that one fine day. I'm sure.
Don't say that.
I'm sure. Okay, period films, historic films, and biopics have become a genre everyone seems to enjoy and explore. So, if you were to do any of these, what would it be? Like, do you have anything?
Since I am doing a period film, I think I would say biopic.
Okay.
Because I definitely, in my lifetime as an actor, I would love to do a biopic. Don't know whose, but I would love to.
Maybe when time
Maybe
comes,
some
yeah.
actress, like some old actress.
Actress.
Yeah.
Like how, like, you know, how Mahanati
I
has
love
come.
Mahanati. Yeah, maybe something like that.
Something like that. Great. Okay, మన సెకండ్ ఇది కూడా అయిపోయింది.
Oh, this was what starters.
ఈ స్టార్టర్స్ ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్ మెయిన్ కోర్స్.
Main course.
ఇప్పుడు టూ గుల్టే టు బీ ట్రూ. ఇట్స్ లైక్ టూ గుడ్ టు బీ
To be true.
ట్రూ. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఆనెస్ట్ గా చెప్పాలి. ఇందులో దిస్
ఇప్పుడు మీరు honest గా చెప్పాలంటే
You have to
I
choose here.
honestly, I've not said.
you have to choose here this or that. Only one thing you have to choose.
Okay, this then we have to do it like
Ah.
fast.
తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీ ఆర్ తమిళ ఇండస్ట్రీ?
Telugu industry.
మహేష్ or విజయ్?
Both.
Smart. You're
Yes.
quick and smart. Ideal weekend or Netflix binge watching or road trip?
Netflix binge watching.
Okay, because that's the time where you feel like sitting at
Yeah.
home. Okay. Venne dosa or masala dosa or idli?
Idli.
Idli, I know. Idli. Bangalore weather or Hyderabad weather?
Bangalore weather.
మీరు కన్నడ మాట్లాడతారు కదా?
లేదు.
బెంగళూరు వెదర్. మీరు కన్నడ లేదు.
Actually, నాకు Kannada, I can understand it. My best friend is also Kannadiga. I have a lot of friends who are
Okay.
Kannadigas. But in my school, I did not have Kannada. So unfortunately, I didn't get the opportunity. But I would definitely love to learn the language because I love the language.
మీకు ఎన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్ చెప్పండి?
Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil.
తమిళ్
That's it.
తెలియదు.
Like how I know Telugu, like that.
You can survive.
Survive, manageable.
Manageable. Okay, like how bachelors cook at their home, like
Yeah,
that. You're
something like that.
something like that. Okay. What do you like shooting more? Emotional scene or comedy scene?
Emotional scenes, comedy stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Will you agree to this? Like,
Mm-hmm.
I don't read social messages much, and I'm not worried about online trolls.
If I'm lying, I would say yeah, but that's not true because sometimes I do end up reading my comments.
Like everybody does.
Yeah, like sometimes I don't want to, but I just, go to that.
It's a curiosity.
Yeah, I'm just
What are
like,
these
okay, what
guys
are people
doing
saying?
here
Are they
in my area? Like,
Yeah.
what are they up
Are they
to?
liking it, not liking it?
Yeah.
What are they
It's
saying?
a common feedback
So
that
I
everyone.
do read it sometimes, and to be very honest, I think the reason why I'm still working, the biggest reason is the audience, the
Yeah.
fans.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but I do get a lot of love. Mostly, definitely, I do get trolled also, but that's I think a part of life, so it's fine.
everybody has their own this thing.
Yeah, true.
Okay. Is Nidhi conscious when she speaks in Telugu? Absolutely not, is what I felt.
I don't think so.
Asala. She's like, even if I'm speaking something wrong, also, I don't care. Like she's like, she's like, no, I appreciate the effort where you're like so confident that you're saying it, you're talking, you're giving your 100% effort.
Like in my first film with Chaitanya, Sabyasachi, I wanted to say that I was very happy on that set. Instead of happy, I said, Naku chala edpincharu. Instead of saying that they made me laugh a lot, I said they made me cry a lot, but very confidently.
So,
that
Asala.
answers your question.
Nidhi Asala. Crazy. Okay, మీరు రివ్యూస్ చదువుతారా గుల్టేలో? I mean,
Yes.
so
In fact, yes. I asked when they told me that interview with Gulte, I was like, Gulte does reviews. No? Yeah, so that was my first thing. So I do read Gulte reviews, but they are usually quite kind to me.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah.
After watching this, they'll be more sweet.
That's sweet of them.
Yeah, sweet of them.
Yeah.
So Gulte వాళ్ళకి ఇంకోసారి థ్యాంక్స్ for also being very sweet. She's like చూసారా బాగా elevation. Okay, so this is one thing. Nidhi looks beautiful and talented. Is the majority's, the perception, or that is true in the industry. But are you getting the roles and films that you deserve and you're looking for?
I think with time, yes. In the beginning, even like I just kind of went with the flow. But actually, this year for me, with the film Hero, with my Har Har Veeramalu, and with my Tamil film Standard.
Back to back.
Yeah, so these three films, actually my roles are the best roles of my career. So I think with time, I am starting to.
Yes. How do you feel 2022 is gonna be changing your film?
Oh God, please be good. Please, I don't think. I'm just praying that 2022 will be good.
కొత్త స్క్రిప్ట్స్ వింటున్నారా?
Yeah.
ఏమైనా సైన్ చేశారా?
సైన్ లేదు, బట్ చాలా కాన్వర్సేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. హిందీలో చేస్తున్నారు, తమిళ్లో, తెలుగులో, సో ఎవ్రీవేర్.
అసలు నిజం చెప్పండి, ఇంత చక్కగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. అసలు నేను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయలేదు నిజంగా. లైక్ it's like చాలా వినసంపుగా.
But my mother, I've always heard Telugu because my mother's from Hyderabad.
Okay.
So అది విని నాకు అలవాటు అయిపోయింది.
అలవాటు.
So అది accent లేదు, I think.
Okay.
It's a normal Telugu accent.
Yeah. So accent లేదు కానీ
Slight
హ్యాపీగా you can talk. See, you can talk to anybody. Happy, they'll believe. No worries. And finally, as it was said in the trailer, love, action or emotion. What can the audience expect from hero and the heroine?
From the hero and heroine, love, definitely.
Okay.
Correct to me. Hero, heroine, love.
Love. Okay. One thing you want to definitely do in this 2022. One thing, like elagena year lo cheyali.
Very tough question. I never thought about this.
Maybe something, anything, bucket list or something that this I should do in this coming months. Maybe some people have like, I have to have this much bank balance.
I think I would love to do like an action film, because I do train a lot since I worked with Tiger Shroff in my first film. I train with his action team, so I can do the flips and everything. So నాకు ఒక మంచి యాక్షన్ ఫిల్మ్ చేయాలి, నాకు యాక్షన్ చేయాలి. అసలు నాకు యాక్షన్, I love to watch action and I really appreciate when action is shot well, so I would love to do an action film.
Okay. And finally, Nidhi, all our questions are done. I hope
Dessert is also done.
So starters are done. The little main course is done, and the dessert is also done. It's like a small,
Feast.
It's a feast to all of us. So on that note, Nidhi, I wish you and the entire cast and crew of your film all the best. And inka year meeru asala idi inni asala ikkada Nidhi is like full geared up for this year. I wish and touch wood that you're doing great and మీకు ఇంకా మంచి ఫిల్మ్స్ రావాలని కోరుకుంటూ మా గుల్టే వాళ్ళ తరపున, మా ఆడియన్స్ అందరి తరపున మీకు ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
Thank you so much and all the best to you too. Have a safe and a happy year ahead.
Thank you. So guys, ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే give it a big thumbs up and also please comment in our comment section and
like, share and subscribe to gulte.com.
and also please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to gulte.com. See you guys with another guest in our Get Set Gulte. Bye.